a pre-owned 2012 Cadillac SRX. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 150,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, wireless data link, roof rails, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.